Well, I'm reporting from outside the Election Commission of India's office. This right here is the ECI's office, and there has been heavy police barricading and security presence outside the ECI office. Media personals have crowded here, and what is the reason behind it? It is the Trinamool Congress MPs who have arrived here to meet the Election Commission of India, Mr. Gyanesh Kumar, and it is not just any other confrontation. It is the prelude to Bengal's royal battle, the 2026 assembly elections. Now, let me tell you that the main agenda behind this is, as Derek O'Brien, senior Rajya Sabha TMC leader, who has written to ECI saying that the MPs are here to give a ground check, the reality check of the ground situation regarding the SIR, the Special Intensive Revision of Electoral Rolls, which is happening in several states. It was declared earlier in November in 12 states and union territories. And remember that it is happening in Bengal as well, which has led to a lot of allegations of bias. There has been fresh protests saying that, the minority votes, the Muslim votes and Dalit votes are being weeded out without, in a rushed manner. And that is causing a lot of harassment and exhaustion allegedly on the BLO officers as well as the voters. This is what the TMC is claiming. It also went on to claim that 38 deaths have been reported in Bengal linked to the SIR process, although there has been no official confirmation either by the police officers or by Election Commission that these deaths happened because of SIR. But we understand that the fact of the matter is that almost 82% of these SIR forms have been digitized. Almost 99.8% of voters have been covered, and almost 7.68 crore forms have been filled up already. So in a few days from now, the whole process of SIR will be completed as assured by the Election Commission of India. And at such a time, we are seeing this delegation who is here in the national capital on Ashoka Road, and as I speak, they are speaking to Mr. Gyanesh Kumar regarding the alleged irregularities around SIR. And who are these people who are meeting Mr. Gyanesh Kumar? The delegation is being led by Derek O'Brien, and it also includes firebrand TMC leaders like Mahua Moitro, Kalyan Banerjee, Saket Gokhale, Shatabdi Roy, and others. And remember that Abhishek Banerjee, the rising star of TMC, said that they will be putting forth 5 straightforward pointed questions to the Election Commission regarding its alleged irregularities. And Abhishek Banerjee also went on to challenge the Election Commission to live stream the discussion that is happening right now in the Election Commission office, because remember earlier Election Commissioner said that only 5 MPs will be allowed to have this constructive dialogue and not 10 MPs. Election Commission did not approve of 10 MPs, but letter sent by Abhishek Banerjee, who is the authorized person to actually speak to the Election Commission, he said that these 10 MPs will be going. They are public elected parliamentarians, and the Election Commission will have to confront them, will have to discuss the matter in detail with these people. But Election Commission said that only 5 members will be allowed. But today we saw the visuals of all those 10 MPs entering the Election Commission headquarters. The meeting is underway, and as I said right at the outset, that this is not just any other meeting. It's not just any other confrontation. It is in fact a major prelude ahead of the West Bengal assembly elections, because the ruling Trinamool Congress, they are making the SIR a major poll issue, because Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee from the very beginning has been saying that this SIR is happening in a rushed manner, and that it is BJP's conspiracy to weed out voters, and they are using Election Commission as an agent. These allegations have been made by the opposition from the very beginning, and we saw during the monsoon session of the parliament, there were fresh protests by opposition leaders, and sources are also telling us that TMC will be raising this matter of SIR in the winter session of the parliament as well. Remember that during the monsoon session, the BJP government, blocked all attempts of the opposition to have discussion on SIR because the BJP government said that it is a constitutional body and we cannot have discussions and take decisions on behalf of a constitutional body. But this time around, TMC is planning to show them, past examples wherein, matters related to the election commission have been in fact discussed in the parliament, and they are planning to take up this issue in the winter session as well. Now we will have to wait and watch the outcome of this very meeting. Will the timeline of the SIR be stretched out? Although the possibility of that is very, very less because most of the SIR process has been completed in West Bengal. But what else will be the outcome of this very meeting? We understand for a fact that, the minority votes and the Dalit votes forms the backbone of TMC's voter base. And through this SIR process, a lot of those voters, as claimed by TMC, they are being weeded out. Their names are being deleted and removed. But the question of transparency, the question of impartiality is on everyone's mind, and today's meeting is a litmus test of election commission's sense of impartiality. Here the election commission is ready to have any constructive dialogue with any regional powerhouse of a party, and this time around it is the Trinamool Congress of West Bengal, right ahead of the West Bengal assembly elections, which is likely to take place next year in around February, March or March, Aprilish. But the list of the fresh voter list will be out on 7th February next year, 2026. Till then, the fact of the matter remains that 99.8% of voters have already gone through the SIR process, and 82% of those forms, enumeration forms, have been already digitized. And at a time like this, we are seeing the TMC MPs, the delegation here, to take this matter up with the Election Commission of India. This is Shreya Ghosh for NDTV.